Morning, students. We had completed our second element of directing. So first one was, remember I had given you what was the formula of learning the elements of directing? Yes, SMLC. Is it clear? Yes or not? Supervision, sorry, then motivation. So we had just completed motivation. It has taken up a long time. Now, next we are seeing is leadership. L, that is L stands for leadership. Now, it's an important question. Leadership is required when people are working in group. Yes or no? Obviously, one of the leader is there that are working in group. Leadership is required when people are working in a group. A best example of I can say you is of leadership. Recently, a highlight is going on about you can say Sushant Singh's case, that is suicide or murder. It's a mystery, right? But this case has been given in CBI after a lot of struggle by the common people. But then also there are efforts of some of the leaders that they had put their hands in it. You can see Subramaniam Swamy, then lawyer advocate that is Ishkaran Bhandari, then you can see your actress Kangana Ranaut. They are leading. They are showing the leadership, in particular their forms, right? So in the same way, when people are working in a group, take example. If you are given a group activity, assignments are assigned by your teachers. You need one person to guide and hold a whole group of 6 or 5 people. That is leadership. In the industrial mix, employees are working in group. Leadership is to be provided to this group. Leadership is a process of encouraging in a mutual way. See, leadership is a process of encouraging in a mutual way. Mutual way means taking all of them together and encouraging them, all of them. Leadership is a base for efficient organization. Leader is by his attitude and behavior channelizes the efforts of the group members in proper direction. He provides guidance to achieve desired targets, motivates to achieve objectives, inspiration, faith, etc. Thus, leadership is a source of motivation for others. Thus, leadership is a source of motivation for the others. What does it mean? When you have a very good leader, so that will inspire you to be like that. I had taken you example of recently Swami Subramaniam Swamy and Ishkaran Bhandari. Both his leader is Subramaniam Swamy and the follower is Ishkaran Bhandari. Both of them from Subramaniam Swamy is not a what we say advocate, but he has. If you will check out his history, he had fight for himself regarding teaching in IIM or IIT College of Engineering, if I remember. He was removed suddenly from them. As you can see, governments are the ruling states or ruling parties are using their power in a very weird manner. That is, we can say a simple word that no democracy is there. So he had not let him down. He had fought for his self-respect and he won the case. And on the next day, he just went for one day, resumed the class, and then he resigned. So that is the example. Then also, you can see he has many followers. So leadership is a source of motivation for others. Many of the people are motivated. Those who it is not necessary everyone is a false member. Everyone is doing negative work. There are many people who are doing social work also. They are fighting for their religion. They are fighting for their what we say beliefs. What they believe, right? So in that there are many people that are motivating them, and they are the leaders. Meaning, leadership is the quality which influences the people to do efforts willingly in achieving goals. Leadership is the art and skill of creating desire in others for achieving objectives. Right? According to George R. Terry, leadership is the quality of encouraging others to work willingly for realization of specified goals. Realization of specified goals means whatever the goals are that are to be achieved. It is clear from the above definition that leader is an influential person of the group who work who without any pressure provides guidance and inspiration and thus gets expected work willingly done. This skill is known as leadership. Characteristics. The quality of the leader is first of all existence of follower. What existence of follower means you say I am a leader and when you turn behind there is no one behind you. So you cannot be a leader. A leader is a person whom people follow. That's why existence of follower. A leader always provides leadership to the followers. Therefore, existence of follower is must for implementation of leadership. Okay, so existence of followers is same continuous process. Second, as long as business unit exists, leader has to provide leadership to the subordinates. So leadership is a continuous process. Why? Once the project is completed, it means that it will not go, it will go with the flow. So leadership is also a continuous process. Acceptance of leadership. One should accept the leadership. Remember, I had given you example of Subramaniam Swami. So Subramaniam Swami was requested by the fans of Sushant Singh Rajput to come in the case. Now take example in the same way, NEET JEE, the students were asking government not to take exams and they had requested the same leader to talk with the government on behalf of them. And he had said, requested to the government also, and you can see his tweet, he has given many of the tweets also. So the moral of the story is that there are followers, but the person should accept that leadership also. He had filed PIL, if you had seen, that was Palghar incident. He was going to file PIL for it, but before that someone had filed. So he has taken back step. So for that case, he had not accepted the leadership. But for the case of JEE and NEET exam, he had taken the initiative of being a leader and work for students, right? So this is. So there must be existence of leader as well as subordinates of for leadership. The leader must be accepted by subordinates, and the leaders must also be accepted by subordinates. Leader directs them, and subordinates follow him. Creates formal and effective relationship. Because of that, what happens? Creates formal and effective relationship. Formally, leader is the lead of specific group. Lead means he is going to ahead of the group. But informally, the leader can influence the person coming into his contact and can stimulate them for achievement of objective. In the same way, informally, he can stimulate. He says you can do this way, you should do this way. That is your effective relationship. Many times we can see people are behind the scene and persons are working on their behalf. Right. So, is it clear? First is existence of followers, second is a continuous process, third is acceptance of leadership, fourth is a creates formal and effective relationship. Here, students, you can easily see that all the characteristics are different, only continuous process is one. Right. Ideal personality. Yes, it needs to be ideal personality. Leader must be an ideal person. Obviously, he should be an ideal person. They carry an image. They follow an image. There recently we are seeing we youth. I'm using or you youth because, or maybe we say we citizens, not only youth. We follow film stars. Recently, I'm feeling so weird. Why we follow film stars? The so-called film stars who are drug addicts, who are smokers, who are what we say they don't have a very good life, they don't have a life cycle. We are far better than them. At least we live a happy life, at least we are not spoiling anyone's life, at least we are not responsible for dirtiness in a particular industry, right? And we follow them. They are not our ideal personality. Now I feel that, and you are youth. My students are youth. Maybe there, and my students, those who are listening to me from that, a youth icon would be there. But students, this is my request to you. You follow a person who is at least a ideal personality. Those who are druggies, they cannot be an ideal personality. We should not follow them. I used to follow them. Now I don't even see a single movie of them. Not a single. If anyone asks me who is your favorite star now, recently I say no one is my favorite star. Reason is not ongoing things related to the star's death, but the reason is the picture is coming out, the dirty picture that they had hide it from the society. And we know, take example, there was one movie that was on a particular star who was involved in the blast and it was druggist, and we had give they had shown his positive side, and we idiots, why we are using this word, because we had praised him and we had seen this movie. Now I hate myself why I had watched that movie, because they are culprit and we think they are leaders. No, an ideal leader should be like that. Whoever it is, a leader can be a poor person also. Take example, social workers that are working for the society, they can be a leader. A leader, you can assume anyone as an ideal person who is not so popular, but he is living a lead by example life. So it is necessary a leader. Take example of Ratan Tata. I just really love him and like him because he is an ideal person. At this stage, no one can claim him having another black life in his life. Okay, he is responsible for this, right? So that is the thing. Ratan Tata is there, that a leader without any loopholes, right? So then you can find many examples. I could give you a task. I want many examples that teacher, this is my leader. It could be a mother also. It could be a father also. It could be a brother also. It could be a sister also, friend also, your maid also. Anyone whom you think is an ideal personality. So I want answer from you. I got 2, 3 answers for the students who had listened to the videos. What are your hobbies? What are your tasks you like to do? I got the answers from few students, and I really appreciate, and I'll show the work of them also, right? Surely. So ideal personality is here. He influences his subordinate by his behavior and nature. He is having inborn qualities. Inborn qualities are that we'll find out in history. The leaders that has given you freedom, whoever, whichever caste they were, they had inborn qualities. What was the inborn quality common they had? What was, as per they had inborn qualities, they cannot be slave of anyone, right? They had sacrificed their life. Whatever the religion is, either they are Sikh, either they are Muslim, either they are Hindu, either they are Christian. I'm not talking about religion, I'm talking about the quality all of them had common. They cannot be working as a slave. They wanted a free India, not only for themselves, they wanted free India for all of the people living in India, right? So, inborn qualities they have. Some persons have the resistance, they cannot see dirtiness, right? Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Some person has, they cannot see corruption. Some person has, they cannot tolerate lies and all that, so they fought for them. Some person cannot see themselves and other people as slaves, so your freedom fighters were there, right? But some qualities are cultivated and some are cultivated. What are the qualities? If you remember, when we talk about the royal families of any country, their kids are taught from the beginning itself, how a king has to behave with its public, that is praja. At the time of war, how they are using their Raniti, their Kutniti, their economic status upbringing, all that. So some qualities are cultivated. Such a skillful person can only be a leader. A best example, if I remember, was one of the leader. Didn't remember its name. It's Maratha Bajirao Peshwa or something, or Shivaji, because when he was born, it was predicted his life is short. Or Shivaji was Shivaji, Maharana Shivaji. I didn't remember the name of the leader, but he was not born king. He had developed himself king, and who was behind him, making him this one strong, was his mother. She has cultivated from his childhood these skills, right? So that person can only be a leader, and I'm giving this task again. If anyone finds out from both of them, anyone is there, either Shivaji Maharaj or Bajirao Peshwa, both of them, one is there, sure. So ideal personality. So first is existence of followers, second is continuous process, third is acceptance of leadership, fourth is creates formal and effective relationship, fifth is ideal personality. Sixth is motivation. Leadership includes motivation of employees. Therefore, he first motivates employees to get the expected result. Yes, when I was, take example, when I was working in, I had done a marketing job also, and when I was working in marketing organization, we used to gather in our office by 8 o'clock. By 8 o'clock, from 8:30, 8:15 to 8:45, our leaders, the managers were taking meeting for us. They were sharing certain motivational stories, and they used to create an atmosphere. Yes, we can do that, we can, and we will do it. This is our target. What is the target that you are going to achieve, and all this. What happens? So when we are leaving for the field, before we are energized positively. Every day they used to give us one story, and many of the persons, I can say, it was a small job, but I had learned much more best thing from the that particular job. First word I always remember, and I will always remember that juice. Juice. Now you will say, teacher, what is juice? Every time when we used to say, yes, you can do it. I am going to this. Say, suppose my target is I am going to do this 6 units. So because on 6 units we used to, there was a bell and we were getting chance when we were returning in the evening, and whole office was gathered from, like take example for 25 to 30 people or 50 people. So at that time, you were proud owner of ringing. There was a bell that we used to ring it like this. If you do a 6 unit, so if I'm leaving for my work in the morning, my leaders used to ask, my managers used to ask me, or any of the subordinate, what your score would be. Then we say, if they was just saying 6 units, so they just, all the members used to say juice, that is join us in creating excitement. Juice says that join us in creating excitement. That was the word. When we used to say juice, and it was with high five, and that was really giving me energy. Suppose you two friends are sitting with, and you and your sibling is there, and he just says juice, and he or she also says juice. I'm giving you from join us in creating excitement. I will bet you will feel certain kind of excitement. Just try it, or when we meet, you say, teacher Jules, you will feel positive energy. That is my sure guarantee. So motivation. Leadership includes motivation of employees. Therefore, he first motivates employees to get expected result. If someone says, I will do this, instead of saying, no, how can you? They say, yes, you can. Join us in creating excitement. Harmony of interest. Leadership brings harmony of interest among leaders and his subordinates. Leadership becomes inefficient and useless if leader and his subordinates' interests are at variance, because both are vain variance. Take example, I was suppose my leader was there, I am working under him. Like me, there are more 5 people, and every 5 people are having 5 people under them. So in under me there was also 5. But we were working for our leader, 5 of them, and with their particular team, we were working. So totally around about 20 people were there. So my leader and our goal was same. We want to achieve certain targets. So that was harmony of interest. If our leader says no, we want to achieve this target, and we say नहीं हम नहीं करेंगे, अच्छा उसको मैनेजर बनना नहीं मिलेगा. So that goes opposite. So that's why if we leader is there, leader and subordinates should have same target. So harmony of interest is there. Then affection of situation. Effect of situation. The success of leader depends on the certain circumstances. Right. The success of a leader depends on a certain circumstances. If the circumstances are the leader will divert themselves. Right. If there is change in situation, leaders does not get the success. Right. There is change in situation, leader does not get the success. I don't agree with it. If there is a change in situation, leaders will treat the situation as per the knowledge, and they will get the success. So effect of the situation. So recently pandemic is going on. So this is in the hand of the leaders of the company, how they are dealing with the situation, how they are going to cover this situation. Maybe we can say this situation will affect for the next coming 5 years to the economy. Right. Now this depends on the situation, how they are going to deal. Right. So these are the characteristics of leadership, and I'm going to share with you some of the what we say. So let us see. Okay, students. So on the screen you can see what is the most interesting fact that you know that I don't know, but I should. So, in fact, inspirational story. You can see the headline. Inspirational story of a blank CEO, because he is a leader. So I am showing you example. You can see who is with him. your ex-president or the people's president, Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam. You can see the person is blind since childhood. His name is Shrikant Bhola. He was born blind. He cleared Andhra Pradesh class 10th state board exam with over. I had given you the example of this in my video and I'm sharing with you. Over 90% marks, but board said he could only take art subject after. Right, your government means your board says that was denied for the admission to the science stream in class 11. What was the reason? His disability. Right, we have all our six sense of the what we say, our all the senses are working. Then also we have lot of what we say regression to our life. We regret, but he was blind, this prince child. But he didn't stop over there. Having been denied the opportunity, he decided to fight for it. He sued the government and fought for how many months? 6 months. So patience. A leader needs the patience and he had. In the end, he got a government order that said I could take the science subject but at his own risk. Obviously, because he was blind, experiments would be done. Right. He worked hard and managed to secure 98% in 12th board exam. Then he applied for IITs and other good engineering colleges, but did not get any hall ticket in India. He then applied to universities in USA and got into the top four. Then he went on to become, see, it is highlighted, first international blind student to be admitted to the prestigious Massachusetts Institutes of Technology (MIT). He then came back. See, he learned from outside in India, and this is the thing I really liked about him. What he had done, he came back to India, bring changes here. He founded Volent Industries. Run. His annual turnover is 80 crores. He is blind and he set an industry. He did not become a burden to anyone, but he funded about 3,000 students in attaining the free education and provided livelihood to hundreds of people with disabilities through his company. So this is called the leader. Leading by example. I am blind, so what? Your inspiration, your self motivation is the most important thing. He inspired himself, no one inspired him, and he lead by example. And there are at least these 3,000 students are his followers. I am also his follower. I really follow him. Right? Let his story reach millions, pass it on. So that is not my concern. But you can see how many of the upvotes are there. Upvote means those who like the stories, they upvote it. 5.7 is the upvote. And here, the reason for sharing is so you can also see how they do. The success story of any person is not just success. Behind it is a lot of struggle. No one reaches to the point of the success. Remember hierarchy of needs, self-actualization. In his field, if I say he is at the topmost self-actualization, and it was not easy for him to see. He had fighted for himself. So leader is that only. See, you can see the comments also. Great motivational post, so touched by the answers. Thanks for sharing the information because we don't know and we can read over here and see what he has written. It should be noted that in MIT we did brain and cognitive science in business course. Is it clear? And I'm surely going to share. Many of the students are asking me, teacher, please share some stories. And yes, I will surely share some stories, whatever I like to share uh, with you. And I hope I find one of my or many of my students on this platform giving answers also and given answers by someone for their motivational story. I always hope my students will, all of them have a good name and hope for the best. So, those who like the story, please say yes to me. Yes, teacher, we liked it. I want to get answers from many of you. I'm getting answers from very few of you. So, the task of tomorrow is characteristics of leadership, right? So, Yesterday I got answer from one of the students, so I like that, but I want answers from more students. I need more students. No, I'm not ending it. Okay. Today I'm going to share only with one of the students that has shared the thing that they like to do. Let me share with you. Yes, so this is the sharing done by one of our students. Like uh, so these are some pics of the students shared by me. That is your what they had done in the lockdown period. Right. So I'm sharing with you handmade rakis, desserts, masks made by the student. This is the thing I wanted to show you. Right. So this is all that they had done. I want more answers. I would love to see it, and I really like your work.